Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you reset your explore page on Instagram and basically make it new with some new type of content on it, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using your Instagram mobile application, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and from there let's go ahead and search for Instagram. Once you find it, make sure we have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can finally quit the store. Now let's head out to your Instagram explore page, and here we are. Now if you have scrolled down and checked some content here, if you want to refresh the page, you can scroll all the way up to the top right here, and then you can swipe down to refresh this page, and you have new content here. If you want to add new types of content in this page, you can open a post of the content or the type of content you want to see more of. So open the post and you can like the post and similar posts like this one and interact with them, and of course save them and share them with your friends. And once you do that, you can quit from this category or this type of content back to your explore page, of course after checking some posts. So once you go back, as soon as you refresh the page again, you'll get more of that content. As you can see here, there are more of that fashion style right here. If you want to see more of one type of content, you can open the post that has that type of content, and you can interact less, and then tap right here in the top right corner on the top right on the three dots, and then tap on not interested, and do that to like 3 or 4 posts of the same content. Keep tapping on not interested. Once you go back to your explore page and refresh, there will be less of that content instantly, as you can see here, guys. And that is basically how can you reset your explore page on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.